If you forgot your Westpac app password, first open the app and then click on the Forgot Customer ID or Password option. Then tap on the Forgot Password option. Next, you're going to go ahead and enter your customer ID, then your date of birth. After that, go ahead and click on the next, and then you will receive a verification code sent by SMS. Open your SMS and check for whether the code has arrived or not. If not, click on the resend option. Then create a new secure password and confirm it. Make sure the password you're using contains uppercase letters and lowercase letters, and make sure that it is unique and different from your older ones so people won't have access to your data and privacy. And also make sure to remember your password. After resetting, log in again and use your new password, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.